Hello everyone. Once again I am here with you with the chapter 6 insects, and today I will explain you the question answer of this chapter, that means exercise A, B, C and D of this chapter. Okay, now come to the question, exercise A, and the question, see the question number 1, A1. Butterflies are attracted to fresh flowers. What? Fresh, fresh flowers. Okay, and now question number 2. Honeybees suck nectar, nectar, nectar from flowers. And question number 3. The six-sided chamber of beehives are called combs, combs. What? combs. Okay, now question number 4. Malaria is spread by the bite of female Anopheles, Anopheles. Malaria is spread by the bite of female Anopheles. Okay, and now question number 5. The cover weaved by a silk moth around itself is called a cocoon, 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 cocoon. Now come to the question number 6. Question number 6 is the bee and wasp, wasp, wasp are stinging animal. Bee and wasp, wasp, wasp are stinging animals. Now move to the question answer of the exercise B. In B1, insects help in pollination. This is true. What? This is true. And lack insect grown on banyan tree. This is also true. Housefly spread malaria. This is false. And Aedes mosquito spread dengue. This is true. And bubonic plague caused by mosquito, it is false. So what will you write? B1 true, B2 true, B3 false, B4 true, B5 false. Okay, so these are the question answer. Now come to the C. Tick the correct option, C1. See the question 1. The insect that usually spread jaundice is the what? It is housefly. Number 2. Honeybees make honey from what? Nectar. Okay, and the sting of insect like bee and wasp is located on their back. Where? On their back. And in number 4, an insect that helps to save our crop from pest is the ladybird beetle. You will write the answer, ladybird beetle. I hope now you can write the question answer of exercise A, B and C. Now move to the exercise D. Okay, so now D. See exercise D. See, answer the following questions in brief. What is pollination? The process of sifting of pollen grains from one place to another is called pollination. What will you write? The process of sifting. The process of sifting of pollen grain from one place to another place is called pollination. Again see, the process of sifting of pollen. What? The process of sifting, shifting, sifting of pollen, 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 grains, grains from one place to another, from one place to another is called what? Pollination. Now question number 2 is the where do bees store the nectar? Then what will you write? You will write bees store in nectar in comb. Store the nectar in combs, combs. Where? Combs, combs. Okay, now move to the next question. Question number 3. Name the insect that gives us silk and what does it feed on? The answer is silk moth gives us silk. Which insect? That is silk moth. Silk, moth, moth. you will write here silk, silk, moth, moth, gives us silk, and silk moth feed on mulberry leaves. What? Mulberry leaves. mulberry, mulberry leaves. mulberry, mulberry leaves. Okay, now move to the question number 4. Name the diseases that get spread by housefly. What will you write? The diseases that get spread by houseflies are: number 1 is the diarrhea, diarrhea, diarrhea. Number 2 is the cholera, cholera. Number 3 is the jaundice, jaundice. Again I am going to repeat the spelling. Number 1 diarrhea, diarrhea, diarrhea. Number 2 cholera, cholera, cholera. Number 3 jaundice, jaundice, jaundice. Now I hope now you can write the question answer of all the question answer of exercise D. Okay, so these are the question answer of exercise D. You will do this, and exercise A, B and C. So you will start from the keywords. From where? You will start from the keywords. First of all you will write the chapter name, then you will write the keywords, and after keywords you will write exercise A, then exercise B, then exercise C, and then exercise D. So in this sequence you will do the question answer. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.